let me just. Okay. Bro, I cannot fucking believe that, like, bro, my fucking key gave up. One sec. So the fucking, no way. The fucking.
I need a target.
Why are you so mean to me? Fucking three key, bro. What the fuck?
I don't have a target. I need a target. I don't have a target. I need a target. I don't have a target. I need a target. I don't have a target. I need a target. I don't have a target. I need a target.
Fuck you. I fucking hate my life, bro. What the fuck is this?
I don't have a target. I need a target. I don't have
This
a target.
fucking garbage. Oh no.
I need a target.
I never bought a fucking mechanical keyboard before. I was running on like standard like fucking keyboards all my life. I buy one because for the stream because I cannot fucking like play with let me just show you. So okay, so a bit of let me talk to you about my drama. So I never fucking played WoW since fucking the or any games that actually relies on a lot of buttons, a lot of like action for a fucking while, bro. So this is the fucking like whatever the fuck you call it. It's ugly. Well, I fucking used it, right? This was the fucking size of the keyboard I was using before. Fucking destroyed, demolished. It's full of dust because of smoke. So basically, like, looks like it comes from the fiery fires of hell or whatever. But this keyboard never fucking got destroyed. Any keys, like, it always worked. I buy, well, this new keyboard right here a week ago. This fucking key doesn't work. And this one, I cannot even fucking begin to believe. I cannot even begin to believe. Is this a quality thing? Like, I need to fucking like understand what the fuck is going on. Like, is this a quality thing? Let me check. I don't even know. Now I have like this fucking thing to actually like change the keys, pull them out and clean it. No, it's actually like the pressure. It's actually the pressure that doesn't work. Wait. Like you see this, like, let me just show, like, basically, wait, our resets was enough? Okay, what the fuck? What company is this? I don't fucking know, like, Jazz, maybe it's a company, but, like, let me check this out, because like, so my other keyboard is fucking Razer, but like now let me check if it's actually the same fucking key now, like if it's built the same. No, it's not built the same. Okay, so no, yeah, it's not like, it's not exactly the same, right? All right, because now it somehow works. Bro, am I about to fucking like, do you have like a mental breakdown? But like, I just had to reset the key. Let me, because check this out. Now I can press the key. So you see, like here when I tried to press the 3 key, right? Didn't work. Now it works, right? It's a fucking it's a fucking software problem. Like what the fuck? How the fuck? Not because I didn't change anything, I just replugged it and unplugged it and replugged it. Bro, like, I cannot fucking believe it. I cannot fucking believe it.
I don't have a target. I need a target. I don't have a target.
I guess it's fixed. I guess it's fixed.
I need a target. I don't have a target. I need a target.
Bro, what the fuck? Like,
I don't have a target.
here's the lesson of the day. Here is the fucking lesson of the day. Fucking complain and start fucking like be mad about things. It fixes things. I just fucking like starting ranting and fucking like fucking complaining about my fucking keyboard being broke. By doing that, I actually fucking needed to show you the fucking problem. The fucking problem fixed itself, and now I don't have any problems anymore. So the lesson is, fucking be mad about things. It really works. It really works. Yeah, just be mad, and things will be better. Things will get better. What the fuck?